So this week we're continuing our front porch project by putting the roof that's going to go over the porch on. Stay tuned and see how easy this is to do. Alright, so I got all my stuff out to mark for our siding, and I realized I had forgotten a step. We need to put the porch roof on before we put the siding on, because we want to butt our siding up against our roof. So I have cut out 4 pieces that will be what I am making my roof structure out of. One of these will be cut in just a moment. So from the biggest piece, we have a 12.5 by 6 3/4 inch piece of foam core. This is our roof. We have a ceiling piece that's 12 by 6. All these measurements will be in the blog post. We have a back piece that's 12 by 2, and we have a side piece that's 6 by 2. And our 6 by 2 piece we need to cut very carefully. We're going to line up our ruler with both corners. And hopefully I got it right. That should give me 2 identical pieces. Close enough. Alright, now I'm going to start building this. Start by gluing this piece on here, right at the edges. I need to have this lined up with the back. And I'm actually going to put the pins in this and then let it dry a little bit. And I'm out of parchment paper, so I don't have parchment paper to protect my work surface today. Go ahead and get my pins in there. Hopefully I can lay that down without it moving. And I'm only going to put a couple of pins in because I don't want to go through the end of this. Probably about there. Alright, I'm going to let this dry just a little bit so that it's not quite so fragile. When that has a little bit to dry, I will come back and we'll go to the next step. Alright, now this glue has had a few minutes to sit, not by any means long enough to dry, but long enough that it has started to set up so that we can get this glued on without it falling apart. Because of our angles, I'm not using as many pins. Now I'm going to put this piece on the back. I have a little gap, but that's all right because we can cover that with our siding. So I'm going to, like normal, put in my pins and then let this glue set up for another 5 or 10 minutes, just so that it's not too slippery. And then when that's done, when that's set up, I will come back. We'll put the roof part on, and then this will need to dry. Alright, so that glue's had time to sit. Now we are going to glue on. We're only going to glue this on the sides. because that's the places it's going to touch. Just keep in mind, none of this is actually going to show, and we need to line it up with this side. So it needs to be lined up that way. It has an edge that goes out, and I'm lining it up with that. There will be a little gap there, but I'm all right with that. And we are going to trim the side so it's even with so it's the same distance out as the front. I'll be putting a filler piece in here when we get this installed. Yes, that's lined up. So just a couple of pins here. We'll fill this gap when we install the porch onto the structure, and when this glue is dry, we'll actually trim this side so it's about the same distance past as that. So I am going to let this glue dry, and when that's dry, I'll be back and we'll do the next step. Alright, now that our roof portion, our porch roof has dried, we need to make some marks. And what I want to do is I want to place it so that the flat part, the porch ceiling, is up 8 inches from the bottom of this wall. And I already did a line back here on the outside of this side. So I'm going to draw a line at 8 inches. So we're going to line up the bottom of that with our line. And I love this big ruler because it just allows me to do long lines that are square. It's great. Now, this is going to get glued right here. Right like that. So, oops, right like this. Let's get it on right. The bottom of the roof, which will be the porch ceiling, go right there. I've got a pin sticking out. So, we need to put some glue down. We're going to put glue on this whole end. And on this whole back side. And you don't need a continuous line. In fact, it's kind of better if you don't, because it allows the glue to kind of move around. Now, line it up with that nice straight line you made, and get out the pins. We won't, well, we can probably pin there too, but the first place I'm going to do, I drew a line on the outside that's the same size, the same place, so that I can pin from the outside. Now, I know it's really hard to see this because it's kind of awkward and it's kind of big. I'm going to reach in and attempt to get, yeah. We can reach in, because we've got the window hole there. We can, our space for a window, we can reach in and get this. It's kind of awkward, but it can be done. Alright, now that glue needs to get completely dry, and I'm probably going to have to put this up against something to help hold it. I'll probably wedge it with some books, or yeah, probably put it up against some books. So I'm going to use some books to weight this to make sure it stays straight and stays tight, and when the glue's dry, I'll be back and we'll go to the next step. All right, so I did end up having to tape this to make sure it stayed nice and firm. And my glue is still not dry. I've still got wet glue. It's really chilly in here, and I've still been sick this week, so I did not get nearly as much done as I wanted to. So we're going to finish the porch roof as far as installation goes, and then we're going to call it a day. So if you recall, we have this spot here. And what I did, I cut a piece, and I'll show you what I did, but I did it off camera so it would be easier. So I put a piece of foam core in here, and basically I just traced, just like this, then around the end. Make sure you guys are seeing. Trying to do this where I can see and you. And then I just cut away the excess, and I came up with this shape. It fits in there. I decided it was easier to do that than try and get the, I decided to do it this way rather than trying to make that hit the roof. I didn't want it to go up too far. There. Now I'm going to apply just a little bit of glue in here. I had this laying on its side, but it's getting really empty. Normally I have this upside down, but the dish that I usually put it in is not here. There we go. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue in there. Then I'm going to slide this in. Alright, so now that's in place. The glue just needs to get dry. Hopefully it will dry over the next couple of days, and I can get started on next week's video. We will get that siding on next week. I don't know why I forgot that I had to put this on first when I told you we'd do the siding this week, but that's our porch roof, and we've got lots more fun stuff coming in the coming weeks. I hope you're enjoying this project. Be sure and check the blog post. There will be photos there that will be a lot easier to see than the video in some places. I'll have photos showing you exactly what this looks like in place, and the whole piece, and the blog post will have the cutting sizes. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.